properties of the both classes A and B are inherited to C. Got it? So let's go and check out with a basic. Until now, we have discussed about inheriting the properties of two or more parent classes to a single child class. But hierarchical inheritance means that we inherit the properties of a single parent class to number of child classes. The child class may be two or more. Okay. So let us get into a PyCharm and work on it. This is a program which we have written for a multiple inheritance topic, right? We have created two parent classes A and B. Then we have inherited the properties of both the parent classes to the child class C. Now I want to inherit the properties. I want my child class B. I want to make my B class as a child class for the class A, and I want to make my C class as the child class to child class B. I mean, for C, B is the parent class, and for B, A is the parent class. Okay. Don't get confused. You can get it clear by seeing the example. Okay. We have inherited the properties of A to the properties of B, and now we are inheriting only the properties of B to the properties, to the child class C. Okay. Now, according to our assumption, we have inherited only the properties of B, right? But in this program, you can work with the methods of A as well. So to check out that, let us create a method for our parent class A. Okay. So we have used method 1, method 2. This time let us use this method. Now let me print the base parent class. Okay. Now let us work with the method of the base parent class. Okay. Object dot method. Right. Now let us run the program. Run inheritance. Yeah. We got the second parent class. Firstly, let us go through the order. Object.method1, which is the second parent class, and object.age 20, and also method of parent class 2. And finally, we have called our method of a first parent class, for which we have given the print statement to be the base parent class. It worked, right? So, in this way, without direct inheritance, you can inherit the properties of a class to another class, and thereby you can inherit the properties of both classes to the base child class. Okay. This is about multi-level inheritance. Let us go and talk about hierarchical inheritance. In the case of multi-level inheritance, we are inheriting the properties of A to properties of class B and also class C by inheriting class B to class C. But I don't want the properties of B to be in class C. I want only properties of A. So, I inherit the parent class A to both the child classes B and C. Here B and C are the child classes, and A is one and only single parent class to both the child classes. Okay. So, we haven't given any age parameter, so let us take the parameter name here. Name is equals to, as usual, we cannot take the method 1 because the method 1 is within class B. Let us go and run it. Let us see if it works or not. Yeah, we got an error. C object has no attribute method 1, right? So we cannot work on methods of class B as we haven't inherited the properties of class B to class C, right? But we have created the object for class C. Now let us also create the object for class B. We have to work on two child classes, right? let's say object 1 is equals to for class B, and now we can take two parameters, name let's say Lisa, and we can also have the parameter age is equals to let's say 10. Okay, now let us run the program. Yeah, it has returned some error here. In it got an unexpected keyword argument name. Here what actually happens is we have inherited the properties of A to to class B, but we do not have parameter name here because we have another init method within our class B. The init method of class B overrides the init method of class A. This is called method overriding. Here the init method of class B is overriding the init method of class A as they both have the same name. So you cannot use the parameter name here. Yeah. Now let us also work on our object 1, which we have just created, object.method, right? Run. This time we got the first parent class and our name, the second parent class age, which is in our class B, and the base parent class. Okay, the base parent class, this has been printed 2 times because we have created 2 objects which is inheriting the method of class A, right? So this is about hierarchical inheritance. The overall concept is nothing but inheriting the properties of single parent class to number of child classes. Okay, so I hope you understand clearly the concept of types of inheritances. Again, I repeat, we have 4 types of inheritances: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. In single inheritance, we inherit the properties of single class to another single child class, and so it is called single inheritance. And we have multiple inheritance, where we can inherit the properties of multiple classes to a single child class. We have 2 or more parent classes and a single child class which inherits the properties of parent class. Okay, and next, coming to multi-level inheritance, we inherit the properties of a parent class to a child class and making this child class the parent class to another child class. Okay, we inherit the properties of a class to another class and thereby inheriting the properties of this class and the previous class to another child class. Okay, this is about multi-level inheritance. And finally, talking about hierarchical inheritance, we can inherit the properties of single parent class to number of child classes. Okay, so this is all about types of inheritances. I hope you understand. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, share it with your Python buddies, and if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. If you want to learn Python in a very basic manner and also from a beginner level, subscribe my channel. I also have more Python videos to practically implement Python, the basic concept for loop, if condition statements, and also classes. So subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.